Welcome back to Nature Connection. Today we are venturing into the heart of the rainforest to meet one of the most iconic and endangered inhabitants, the orangutan. If you haven't already, be sure to hit subscribe for more captivating wildlife stories. The name orangutan translates to man of the forest in Malay, a fitting title for these solitary primates who call the lush rainforests of Borneo and Sumatra home. These intelligent creatures have shaggy reddish fur, long arms, and expressive faces. They are true arboreal masters, spending most of their lives in the trees, swinging effortlessly from branch to branch. Orangutans are frugivores, meaning their diet primarily consists of fruits like lychees, mangosteens, and figs. They also get creative with their hydration, slurping water from holes in trees. While both Bornean and Sumatran orangutans share similar traits, there are subtle differences. Sumatran orangutans have longer facial hair and tend to be more social, while Bornean orangutans are more likely to venture down to the ground. Orangutans play a huge role in maintaining the health and diversity of the rainforest. As they move through the canopy, they inadvertently scatter seeds, acting as the forest's gardeners. This seed dispersal is vital for the regeneration of trees and plants, which in turn supports countless other species, making orangutans a keystone species in their ecosystem. Sadly, these gentle giants are facing an unprecedented crisis. Their numbers have plummeted dramatically, primarily due to the habitat loss caused by deforestation for logging, agriculture, and palm oil plantations. Illegal hunting and the pet trade also pose significant threats. And the low reproductive rate of orangutans, females give birth only once every 3 to 5 years, makes their populations extremely vulnerable to decline. With only an estimated 104,700 Bornean orangutans and 7,500 Sumatran orangutans left, and an even smaller population of the newly discovered Tapanuli orangutan, the situation is dire. The plight of orangutans is a wake-up call for all of us. It's a reminder of our interconnectedness with nature and the devastating consequences of our actions. While numerous organizations and individuals are working tirelessly to protect orangutans and their habitat through conservation, rehabilitation, and education efforts, the fate of orangutans rests in our hands as well. By supporting sustainable practices, choosing products that don't contribute to deforestation, and raising awareness, we can all be part of the solution.